Hi everyone, it's me again, Teacher Cha, your Tagalog tutor. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make questions or answer questions using who with pronouns. They're very simple questions that you can use if you're a beginner. If you've just started learning, this is very useful and very simple. Okay, first let me share you my screen. All right, there you go. All right. So I'm going to explain to you or to teach you how to make or ask questions using who. But first of all, what is who in Tagalog? Who is sino? And we will also be using pronouns. If you don't know the pronouns yet, you better check my lesson regarding subject pronouns for you to really understand this lesson. So let's have, for example, question here. In English, how do you ask question? Normally, we ask question, who is she, for example? Who are they? Who is it? Or who is that? So the word order begins with who, followed by the is or are, depending on what the subject is, and followed by the pronouns. In Tagalog, the format is, or the word order is, sino followed by just the pronoun. If you wanted to say who is she, you just say sino, which is who, and then she, which is siya. Sino siya. Now, for example, you wanted to ask someone, who is she? Your answer would be, sino siya. So in other words, the sentence pattern asking the question is, in English, who is she? So notice you put the who first, followed by the be verb is, and then the she. In Tagalog, you just put there sino plus siya. So as you can see, you get rid of the is. You just leave it out. And how are you going to respond if someone asks you that question? So, for example, you wanted to say, she is my friend. How would you say that? In English, the pattern is you begin the sentence by saying, she is my friend, or she first, followed by is, and then my friend. What about in Tagalog? So you begin with saying my friend, and my friend is kaibigan ko. Now, if you don't understand yet the possessive adjectives, like to say my friend, her friend, you can also check my videos regarding possessive adjectives, so you better understand this lesson. So, kaibigan ko followed by she, siya. Just like that, kaibigan ko siya. It's like my friend or friend my she. What about who are they? Now, I want you to pause the video and try to answer the remaining sentences on your own. All right. So let me give you the answers now. Who are they? So who is sino again? And they is sila. What will happen to are? You just leave it out. So you will just put there sino followed by they. It's like who they. Sino sila. Just like that. And you wanted to say they are my parents. So you will begin the sentence by saying my parents my. So what is parents? Mga magulang. Parents is mga magulang. So mga there is the same as S or ES in English. If it's just parent, you just say magulang. If it's parents, mga magulang. And then what's the next? Mga magulang ko, because you have there the my. Mga magulang ko sila. Like that. Mga magulang ko sila. I hope you got it right. What about number 3? Who is he? You can do the same. You can pause the video first before looking at my answers. Who is he? Is sino, followed by he, siya. Just get rid of the is again. And you wanted to say, oh, he is my husband. Your sentence will start with, husband. So you have to translate first my husband, which is asawa ko. And then you put the he, siya. Asawa ko siya. Who are you is sino ka. I am your daughter's friend. For example, you visit your friend and the father or the mother opens the gate for you, and then they ask you, who are you? Then you wanted to say, I am your daughter's friend. So you would say, you start the sentence by saying daughter's friend, which is kaibigan ng anak your. So nyo, you have to use nyo because you're talking to the parents. Kaibigan ng anak nyo. What about the I? You can just leave out the I. You can also put the I by saying kaibigan ako. You put the ako after kaibigan. So it's like friend I. You insert the ako in between ng anak nyo. What about who is that? So you just put there sino. That is yan. Or sino yun? You can also use yun. That's my brother. You put my brother first. So you would say kapatid ko siya. Okay. I'm going to give you another set of exercises. You try this. Let me give you 3. For example, who is he? And then you wanted to say, he is my teacher. Next, who are they? They are my friends. Then 3, who is she? She is my girlfriend. Right, you need to know what teacher is. What is the meaning of friends and girlfriend? Okay. So teacher is guro. Friends, if it's only one, if just friend, kaibigan. If it's plural, you say mga kaibigan. What about girlfriend? For girlfriend, we say just shota, or we just say girlfriend, or sometimes we say kasintahan. But it's very common to say just girlfriend. Or if you want to use the Tagalog version, you can use shota. Okay, you try to answer the remaining exercises and you can check with my answers. Okay, so the answer for number 1 is, so let's say, who is he? So sino siya? By the way, you can write siya as SYA only instead of is IYA. It's okay to write that way. Sino siya? He is my teacher. You can say guro ko siya. My teacher is guru ko, and then siya. Who are they? Sino sila? They are my friends. So you should say mga kaibigan ko sila. My friends. Mga kaibigan ko sila. Who is she? Sino siya? Then she's my girlfriend. Shota ko siya. Okay? I hope you got them right. If you still didn't get it, you can just repeat the video until you understand the lesson. Thank you so much, and please leave a comment if you like my video. Please subscribe so you will get notification when I upload a new one. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Ingat.